It's pouring rain right now. I just finished hosing down the deck. I'm not done with it yet, but yeah, raining pretty good. Some thunder. I haven't seen any lightning though. Really nice. It's nice, isn't it, Addie girl? Who's my Addie girl? She's a little Addie girl. Wow, pretty nice. Pretty nice, man. That's where I sit when Tiberius is out in the evening so I can see him. Since it's raining, he's just on the porch. He's just up here. Anyway. That's a new kitty there. I just call her Tippy because her tail has a little white tip on her tail. Who's this boy? Tiberius. Who's this handsome boy? Look at this boy. Look at your handsome. Who's your handsome, huh? Who's your handsome? He like the scratches. He like the scratches. Hmm. Hmm. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, good boy. Are you a good boy? Are you a good boy?